Hi, I'm Brad Green, and I'm one of the attorneys at King, Green, and Dobson. This past Friday, we won a case before the Alabama Supreme Court representing grandparents who are raising some grandchildren by virtue of what's known as a dependency case, where the parents, for whatever reason, are not willing to properly look after their children. These grandparents were awarded child support from both the mother and the father, but the father's parental rights were terminated in the juvenile court. There was a case in Alabama a number of years ago in a split decision from our Supreme Court that said that a parent whose parental rights had been terminated may still have to pay child support to the custodians of a child under certain circumstances. The father in this case tried to convince the Alabama Supreme Court, whose membership has changed since that earlier case, to reverse the older case. It was a split decision, I believe 5-4 in the original case. We were happy to represent these grandparents in an appeal to the Alabama Court of Civil Appeals, where we had already won for them. And the father then asked the Alabama Supreme Court to take his case and asked the Alabama Supreme Court to reverse the prior decision of the Court of Civil Appeals and the prior decision of the Supreme Court from years ago. Membership of our Supreme Court has changed a good bit since then, but we're very proud that though it was still a split decision, this time our state Supreme Court ruled 6-3 in favor of the grandparents receiving child support from a father or parent whose parental rights had already been terminated. This is a very important case for grandparents out there who are having to raise children by virtue of dependency cases that happen every day in Alabama. If you'd like more information about the kinds of things that our firm helps people with, you can go to kgdfirm.com and check us out. Thanks.